Hello everyone, this is Hassan from HDFX and welcome to another video. Now, I didn't do a lot of videos for the last month or so, and I know I've been lagging, so let's actually keep everything better this time. Now, on Euro US dollar for the 4-hour chart, I had some ideas before and I did videos about them, and at that time we were around in this consolidation period, okay, and we were expecting a consolidation period, and we had a couple of ideas, and the market seems to choose the one that is an X wave, and it's making a new corrective wave to the upside, if you ask me. And let me try to explain why. Now, this story actually starts from here. This triangle, okay, a triangle. It looks like it is happens at the end of a complex correction, and then after this, so this is a non-limiting triangle. So after the triangle, something starts. Okay, so in order for us to have this wave one here, you should say something like wave E in this degree. If you put wave E here, you need to have a wave D, okay, and wave C, which is good, and a wave A and a B. Now, maybe we are wrong, and this triangle is actually ends, by the way, here, because this is a non-limiting triangle. A and C trend line should not be clean. So this is a B to D trend line, okay. And what does this mean? It means that something here must have ended. So these are the basics that you should cover first before making an Elliot wave. If this is a wave A, it means that look, there is an X wave here, and so on, okay? So when you're building this scenario, now the thing that you have to ask yourself is this. This is, look, let's actually put, we need this as well. So this is a start of this trend to the upside, okay? So we got this. So look, now what I'm saying here, we are going from some, by the way, there may be one more degree that we are missing, okay? So don't forget about this as well. So maybe there may be maybe another degree, one more degree up, okay? But let's just try to go on. Well, the first thing that you have to look for after this is, okay, what am I dealing with? What does this move looks like? Well, this move in one lower degree, so if you don't think about this, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is a start of a move, I have to ask myself a couple questions. So I am in a start of a move. Okay, I know this. And I think that we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means it is an impulsive move. Okay, then I am thinking to myself, okay, what are the start of a move that can happen and starts as an impulsive move? Well, I have two options. I can either have a first wave, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move in a lower degree, or I can have a wave A of a zigzag. See, for example, wave C of a flat is an impulsive move as well, but because we know that we are in the start of a move, that option is automatically eliminated. Okay? So the next thing that you have to think to yourself is, now we are going from here to here. This is why I labeled it as either one or wave A of a zigzag. Cool. If this is a wave one, then you need 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's actually imagine this as an impulsive move. So if I put wave one here, I put the second wave here, the third wave here, the fourth wave here, and the fifth wave is in the making. So if I am choosing, or if you guys are choosing to follow this impulsive wave approach, this is what you guys need to know. First of all, let's measure the length of first wave. Okay, so this is it. And when you take 161.8 out of this move, okay, I'm sorry, you should have a minimum target of this for either the third wave or either the fifth wave, because in an impulsive move, either first wave or the third wave or the fifth wave has to make an extension. Okay, that's the rule of an impulsive move. Now, as you can see, the most common one is the third wave extension. Now, as you can see here, when I take the 161.8 out of the first wave and put it on the second wave, I don't have this. So it means that what I'm thinking here is in this arrangement is wrong. Okay, what do I know about impulsive move as well? Well, I know that the third wave cannot be the shortest, and the third wave is not the extended one, or the first wave is not the extended one. So what I do is I go on with the same scenario but from a different direction. So I know that third wave cannot be the shortest. So this is why now I take the length of the third wave and take 161.8 out of it. Okay, because third wave cannot be the shortest. And we need the extension, the second wave that is longest, but we need 161.8 out of it. And I put it on the fourth wave. Now, if we will have a fifth wave extension, this is where we should go minimum. That's 127. Okay, so if you think that we are in an impulsive move like this is the target that you should be looking for. And how would you describe what's happening here? So if this is the fourth wave and if you are going to the fifth wave, it means that you should be able to try to find something like maybe one, maybe, I don't know, two can be here, two can be here. Okay, I'm not saying that it's either one of them, but it can be here. And then you will need a third wave and a fourth wave and a fifth wave, or maybe fourth wave and a fifth. By the way, I'm just putting these numbers, okay? I am not saying that the third wave will end here or whatever. But this is how this impulsive move would look like if you would have this minimum target, okay? Now, if you ask me, is this likely? Well, it is, of course, you should never say never, but I would rather, instead of the impulsive approach, what I would do is actually think about the corrective wave approach, which is to go with the wave A. Now, if this is a wave A and we need a wave B, if that's the wave B, then what I have to do is take this zigzag. Okay, if then I'm thinking it's a zigzag. If it's a zigzag, then the wave A and wave C, as a time-wise, has to be similar in time. Now look, when I put it, we almost at the same time. So I can say this is a B and C. So instead of 1 to 3, now I chose A, B, C, and hold this move. Okay, it seems to be like an X-way. Okay, now on the one of the scenarios that I did before was starting exactly like this, and I was expecting to maybe as an X wave here and an A, B, C, D, E, and then the market to roll over. However, this didn't happen. So what this means is this by itself is something different, can be different, no problem. Now, if this is different, then we should treat it accordingly. Now, if this is an X wave, all of this move from here to here, okay, it can be, no problem. But after this, you need to have, instead of a fifth wave, now you're looking for a wave A, another corrective wave. So in that case, we have an ABC, an X wave, and then ABC or whatever, ABCDE it can be, you can have another zigzag, blah, blah, blah. So if this is a start, look, if I have more time and if I can understand what it's going on here, I can make a better guesses. So this is what we should do. If this is a wave, look, let's actually remove this and just write wave A. So if you're thinking that as an impulsive move, not as a corrective wave, if you're looking for a wave A here, what are the wave A's that can come? Well, one of the wave A's can be wave A of a flat. So we can have a flat. We can have a triangle as a wave A, or we can have another zigzag. Okay. But there's a difference. If we are having a flat, it means the wave A of a flat is actually a corrective wave. Okay? So we have, if we are looking for a flat, it's corrective wave. If we are looking for a triangle, then it's again a corrective wave. If this is a zigzag, then it's an impulsive move, because wave A of an impulsive move is actually an impulsive wave. Wave A of a zigzag is an impulsive wave. Now, so the trick is, if we can understand what's going on here, then it will give us which of this. And if we can understand what we are looking for, then it will be easier for us to determine the next move. So now this is the part where you should play with the scenarios. Like I said, if this is a zigzag, or if this is a flat, let's say start with the flat. If this is a flat, maybe you can think something like, maybe, I don't know, maybe a B wave here. Okay, now it's not, it may be a running correction. Okay, so it can be a wave BC, and this, after this can be an X wave. Okay, probably these times taken for these are similar. Let's check. Yes, they are exactly the same. So you can say, okay, ABC and X wave, and then some type of ABCD or whatever. So you can think of a complex correction here. Now, if you have a complex correction here, then the markets confirm this, then you can actually delete this zigzag impulse, a zigzag move. And you may think, okay, I have a zigzag and an X wave and a flat or a triangle. Then you can say, okay, A, B, C, D, E, and after this, the market to roll over. That's one of the options. If that's a zigzag, okay, if that's a zigzag, then you can actually think about like something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like how I said while we were thinking about the fifth wave approach. Now the bad part about this, if this is a fifth wave, or if this is an impulsive move, we cannot understand if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we can or it is actually an ABC corrective wave, because the impulsive wave will be the same for the fifth wave or the zigzag as well. So that's the tricky part. So this is how you guys should treat this pair as moving forward for the Elliot wave perspective point of view. Okay, so I hope, please guys, don't take this anything as a financial advice. They're not. They're just for educating you all about this crazy method of Elliot waves. Okay, it's very hard, but for me it's so fun, and I hope that I can influence you guys to learn this, and trust me, it will be good for you. And if you want to learn it, of course you can contact me and just ask questions about anything. So thank you so much, and I would like to see you on the next video. Bye.